Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, we will be unboxing our June Ipsy. Actually, it's our BOXYCHARM by Ipsy. For those of you who are not familiar with it, I will leave all the details down below. And yes, inside this box, I do have the Beauty Boost item as well. I will leave all the details down below, plus a code if you'd like to try it out for yourself. So we're just going to jump right in so we can find out everything that's inside and we can keep it moving. All right, so when we open it up, this is how it's coming inside. So I do want to start off by saying that I did choose 2 items this month. You'll know what they are as soon as you see them. And they were not brushes, just so you know that, okay? We're not brushes this time. So when I open up the box, as you saw, this is our BOXYCHARM June 2025 card. It says, make bold moves. All right, and it says, bring on the bright hues and dopamine boosting glam. This month is all about chasing joy and expressing it through every look. Then on the back, it just gives us information about, you know, the upcoming sale that they do every month or every other month. Okay, so let's just jump in. Now, since we don't have a description card, I'm just going to take what's on the top and we're just going to go from there. See, and it's a good thing I told you I didn't choose because I promised I did not. But the first item that we did receive is by Pretty in Pink. And it's this right here. And this is the Pinky Bee Beauty Brush Set. Now, according to this, it is a cruelty-free and vegan brush set. It says this is the full face powder brush and blush/contour brush set. So, oh, they're nice and heavy. Okay. And they do come covered. Oh, it's nice and dense. And I must admit, they are pretty. They definitely are pretty. This one has that dome shaped top to it, and like I said, it is nice and dense and very fluffy. All right, wood handle, and the ferrule seems to be, I want to say it's a maybe stainless steel, possibly. Okay, I'm gonna say possibly. So that one is the powder brush. And then the next one that we have is the blush and contour brush. And look at this one. All right, so I am excited to try these brushes out. We'll talk about that in a minute. But not bad. Not bad at all. This one is nice and fluffy and dense as well. And I do like the slant. So you get in that hollow here, or use it to make sure that your contour is coming up like it should, or use it as a blush brush. Now, the manufacturer suggested retail price for this set is $30. All right, so that is item number 1. Then item number 2 is by Huda Beauty, and it's the Easy Blur Primer. Okay, and it says this is silicone free smoothing primer, and it is a 1 fluid ounce size. This one has a 12-month shelf life. Now, it doesn't tell me if it is cruelty free or not. It says that it is lightweight and soft focused effect. All right, so as I stated, this one is item number 2. This is the outside packaging. We're going to go ahead and open it up. So this is what the inside looks like. So what are your thoughts on that, right? Now, this one doesn't say whether it is a cruelty-free product either, but a 12-month shelf life. Not bad, not bad. And that is from the time that you open it. I'm trying to see if there's an expiration date on there, which it is not. But just remember, 12 months from the day you open it. And the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $29. Well, now we've paid for the box. Okay, look, cost of the box has truly gone up, okay, to say the least. Do you remember when we started off and they were like $20? Long ago are those days. Okay, moving right along. The next item that we have is Star Bright Loose Setting Powder, and this is half caked. Now what I did get is a banana powder. This one is a 0.29 ounce size, and it says that this one is a vegan and cruelty-free product. It is paraben-free, sulfate-free, phthalate-free, and fragrance-free. All right, so this is what the outside packaging looks like. This is what the inside packaging looks like. And yes, as I stated, it is a banana powder. Okay, now, I know I'm not going to open it up all the way. I just want to see, yes, it does come with a powder puff, and it has the sifter in here as well. And I am glad that it is covered. But this one, as I stated, does have an 18-month shelf life. Not bad, right? Okay, and the manufacturer suggested retail price on this loose setting powder is $28. Now, it also says that it is a clean beauty product. But I guess when it says all of those things on it, you would, you know, gather high quality products that even your sister would love, trust, and probably steal from you. How about that? Okay, let's just keep going. The next item that we have is, okay, I told you it was a product in here that I chose. And it is a Fenty Beauty product. And this is the Pout Sickle. And it says this is a hydrating lip stain. It is a 0.22 fluid ounce size. Okay, so not bad. And the shade that I have is called Fuchsia Wife. Fuchsia, y'all, you heard that. Fuchsia Wife. Okay, and that's what that color looks like. Can you see it? All right. And this is what the inside packaging is. Nice. This is what the inside packaging looks like. And again, it does show you the fuchsia color on the top. It says the manufacturer suggested retail price for this Pout Sickle hydrating lip stain is $28. Not bad. Not bad at all. Okay, and I love their packaging. Their packaging is gorgeous. All right, we're moving right along. As a matter of fact, we're at the last item already. Okay, not including the Beauty Boost, but the last in our regular package. So the next one is also by Fenty Skin. That is the second item that I chose, and this is the Thick and Smooth Rich Peptide Eye Cream. This comes in a 0.05 fluid ounce size. Y'all know I'm shaking my head about this fluid ounce when it's supposed to be a cream. But anyway, this one has a 6-month shelf life. And let's see what it says about it. It's rich, balmy texture, intensely hydrates, improves skin texture around the eyes, reduces the look of fine lines, wrinkles for a renewed skin. All right, so this is the outer packaging. And yes, it is a full size. Y'all remember, I tell you in every video where we get an eye product, they come small because you don't have such a large area, as well as them being a concentrate type of product. Okay, and this is what the inside looks like. Now, y'all know I am not opening this with a 6-month shelf life until we are ready to use it. I do want to see if it has a top, you know, a cover on it, but I don't want to open it just to be on the safe side in case it doesn't. All right, so when we do open it, I'll make sure that I let you know. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $42. Okay, and it does look kind of small, but as I stated, the area is not very large that we are treating. I don't want to say covering, I want to say treating. And It's concentrated. So that's that item. Now we're going to get to the Beauty Boost item. Now this one I did not choose, clearly, because I try not to purchase makeup. You know, when it comes down to this, I'm about the skincare and those type of products, because y'all know that I do have a makeup subscription that offers me full-size products. One of them has 5, the other one minimum of 5, the other one has a minimum of 3, and they're always full size. Okay, so just so you know, I did not order this one, did not choose this one. This actually was the Beauty Boost item that was chosen for me. What is it? It is by Tarte, and this is the Glamazon palette. Okay, and it says that this one is the Amazonian clay palette, and it is a 0.052 ounce size. Okay, and it has a 12-month shelf life, and it is a cruelty-free and vegan product. Okay, how about that? All right, so let's just open it, because I know you want to see what it looks like, as do I. Okay, here we go. Y'all know how I feel about fingerprints all over my product. So, it's all over the back, but I'm not going to show you the back. So this is what the palette itself looks like. Very gorgeous. Very much so. Okay, and so when we open it, it does have a mirror, and these are some gorgeous shades. But I do want to cover the mirror so that it does not disturb your eyes. Okay. It kind of gave me this fragrant smell. I wanted to make sure it was this, and it definitely is. It has like a chocolate or a cookie type smell to it. All right, so what do you think? These are beautiful. These are absolutely beautiful. All right, so y'all know we swatch at the end, and so this is the last product. So what I'm going to do is we're going to go ahead and swatch a couple shades. Now, since I do not have on a highlighter, I'm going to go ahead and use my brush. Try that out. Oh, quite a bit came out, but okay, so I did take off my gloss. I still have my liner on, but we're going to go ahead and try this fuchsia. Okay, now let me just tell you, this feels nice and cool going on, not damp, but it feels nice and cool. I like it. How's that color look to you? I like that too. What do you think? I really do like this, to say the least. Okay, so let's just keep going, and we're going to look at the swatches. Now, I will tell you, I did kind of mess up on here, and I probably should re-swatch them, but I'm not going to do that because I want you to see it first. Now, why am I saying I need to re-swatch them? Not because there's anything wrong with it, but because I went over top of the knuckle, and over top of the knuckle caused it to kind of give it that swerve look. But these colors are gorgeous. They are nicely pigmented. The shimmer is all of that, both at the top and at the bottom. Now, because these do have names, the very first one on the top is Enchanting. The second one is Lush. That's that green color. Then the third one is Forest. And the last one is Light Break. What do you think? I love them. Okay, I guess it's because I'm a shadow kind of person. I do like, you know, the shades. They are just beautiful. That is something that I am definitely here for. So I really do like what this lipstick looks like. I want to see, it says it dries down to a stain. So if that's the case, I probably would need to make sure I do have a gloss with me if I want it to have that kind of juicy look, I guess, or wet look to it. Or if I just want it to be matte, do what I need to do, keep it moving. By the time I get where I have to go, it will be matte. So what do you think? What do you think of our box? Well, let me know down below. Let me know your thoughts. I would love to know them. So I just want to tell you, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our June BoxyCharm by Ipsy. These are the items that were included. Down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that was included, including our Beauty Boost item for the month. All right, now make sure you give it a thumbs up if you liked this video. Leave me a comment down below. Are we Boxy sisters or Boxy by Ipsy sisters? Did you get the same things that I got? Did you choose them? Okay. Did you like what you received? Let me know your thoughts. Okay. Now, in addition, make sure you subscribe. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. I'm getting comments back from a lot of y'all because my views have gone way down, and I'm not sure how in the world that, so my subscriber count is still there, but the views are not. And so I've gotten some information from some of y'all to let me know that you did not receive a notification that I had a new video up. So I'm just going to ask you, please go back and check your notification button. And while you're there, make sure you subscribe. If you are not a subscriber, if you knew you did subscribe, then just make sure you're still a subscriber. I would so greatly appreciate that. I really, really would. Okay, now share this video. Share it with someone who no longer wants to get BoxyCharm, but they still want to see what's in it. Okay, or just share it with somebody you care about or you think might enjoy it. But most importantly, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be, yes, always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.